welcome to today's maths video. We will be building on from your previous learning yesterday when you were looking at having an object into having a number. Now today, to help us with our maths, we will need a pencil and some objects. We are going to go through 3 examples together, and I'm going to show you on how to have a number, and then you'll be able to do this with items in your household. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at half of 10. So you're going to need to make sure that you have 10 items. I'm going to use some pasta. Let's check I have 10 as our first step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. For our next step, you are going to put your pencil on the floor. And to find half of 10, so 1 of 2 equal parts, we are going to place our pasta on both sides of my pencil. This is going to represent one part and this side will represent another part. So we're going to move it piece by piece. 1 for this side, 1 for this side, 1 for this side, 1 for this side, and we're going to keep going 1 on each side until all the pasta has been shared equally. As you can see, I've lined my pasta up in a straight line. This is to make it a little bit easier when I am counting. Let's check that they are both equal on both sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so we know that half of 10 is 5. We're looking at 1 of 2 equal parts. So half of 10 is 5. Fantastic. Let's try another one together. We'll take back our pasta. And this time we're going to find half of 12. So let's start again and make sure that we have 12 pieces of pasta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. We have our pencil already ready as our step number 2. So step number 3, we are going to share equally the pasta onto both sides of our pencil. You may also wish to explore this using 2 circles, but a pencil is an object that everyone has available within their household. 1 for this side, 1 for that side, 1 for this side, 1 for that side, and continue placing 1 on each side. Do not rush, as you need to make sure that you are concentrating on which side. So before we can identify half of 12, we need to make sure that both groups are the same. They are equal in value. And again, having them lined up like this makes it much easier to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we know that half of 12, 1 of 2 equal groups, is 6. We're going to do the last one together, and then you'll be able to have a go at finding half of a number on your own. So this time we're going to do half of 8. Let's count out 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. As you can see, I'm using everyday items that you will also have in your house. Pencil is already ready. 1 side, 2 sides, and let's share out the pasta equally. 1 for you, 1 for this side, and we'll keep going 1 on each side until all the pasta has been shared. Okay, again, in a nice straight line, and let's double check that they both have the same amount because they do need to be equal when we are halving. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So half of 8 is 4. Have a go at having some numbers using manipulative, using actual objects within your house. Remembering to use a pencil, or if you don't have a pencil, you can draw 2 circles very similar to these and share out your object into both of these 2 circles using the same one here, one here, one here, one here, until all your objects have been shared out. Miss Pring and I cannot wait to see your halving of a number.